Pain. It's a part of life. We all experience it. Whether it's physical or emotional, pain can feel overwhelming. It can disrupt our lives. But there's hope. Mindfulness offers a path to relief. It's a way to manage pain and find peace. This is a journey we can take together. We can learn to harness the power of mindfulness. It's about being present. It's about paying attention to the present moment. We can learn to observe our pain without judgment. Mindfulness helps us understand our pain. We can see it more clearly. We can learn to respond to it in new ways. This can lead to healing. It can lead to a sense of peace. Join me as we explore the world of mindfulness. We'll discover how to create our own mindfulness kits. We'll learn practical techniques to manage pain. Let's begin this journey together. Let's find relief and healing through the power of mindfulness. Pain is a universal language. It speaks to our shared humanity. It reminds us that we are all vulnerable. But pain is also unique. We each experience it in our own way. Physical pain is real. It can be sharp or dull. It can be constant or intermittent. Emotional pain is real too. It can be just as debilitating as physical pain. It's important to acknowledge our pain. We need to validate it. We shouldn't ignore it or try to push it away. When we acknowledge our pain, we can begin to understand it. We can learn to identify the different types of pain we experience. We can start to see the triggers that cause our pain to flare up. This understanding is crucial for effective pain management. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for pain management. It's about paying attention to the present moment. We observe our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. This includes our pain. When we practice mindfulness, we change our relationship with pain. We no longer see it as an enemy to be fought. Instead, we see it as a wave. It rises and falls. It comes and goes. Mindfulness helps us detach from our pain. We can observe it without getting swept away by it. This doesn't mean the pain disappears, but it does mean we can experience it differently. We can learn to ride the waves of pain. We can find moments of peace even in the midst of suffering. This is the power of mindfulness. It helps us shift our perception of pain. It allows us to find healing and peace. Section 4. Creating your DIY Mindfulness Kit. A DIY Mindfulness Kit is a personalized toolbox. Tailor it to your unique needs and preferences. Include items that bring you comfort and relaxation. Aromatherapy, journaling, and calming music are great additions. Keep refining your kit as you discover what works best. It's a reflection of your journey toward healing and well-being. Section 5. Practical mindfulness techniques for pain management. Mindfulness techniques can be incorporated into your daily life. Here are a few techniques to include in your pain management routine. Deep breathing. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and slowly. Exhale slowly and completely. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen. Body scan. Meditation. Lie down or sit comfortably. Bring your attention to your body. Starting with your toes, slowly scan your body, noticing any sensations. Gratitude journaling. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. Remember, Mindfulness is a practice. Be patient and celebrate your progress. Section 6. Embrace mindfulness, embrace healing. Mindfulness is a journey of self-discovery and healing. It's about learning to live in the present moment and relate to our experiences with greater awareness and acceptance. As we cultivate mindfulness, we develop a deeper understanding of ourselves, our pain, and our innate capacity for healing. The journey may not always be easy. There will be challenges along the way, but the rewards are immeasurable. By embracing mindfulness, we embrace the possibility of living a richer, more meaningful life, even in the face of pain. Remember, you are not alone. Millions of people around the world have found relief and healing through mindfulness. With commitment and practice, you too can experience the transformative power of mindfulness.